is Pilates so good? First, it's a full body workout. It's very effective and a very efficient use of time and energy. It works to even out imbalances. You don't want to be lopsided, do you? It strengthens your abdominals. Who doesn't want nice abs? And besides looking good, it gives you more stability, better posture, and protects your back. It can be adjusted depending on your strength level. Every single exercise can be modified or made more challenging depending on how you're feeling that day. But no matter which version of an exercise you're doing, you can still get a really good workout. Now, Pilates may not be that much fun to do in the moment, meaning there are some exercises that really just aren't pleasant to do, but it's worth it. It's effective, it's efficient, and it gives you strong abs. Who doesn't want strong abs?